A bright room full of balloons, a professor appears. Hello student, today I'm going to show you a super cool experiment which makes an object dancing using invisible electricity. Then Professor came up with a balloon floating around his head. He said, "Here is a magical tool." A balloon can create something called static electricity. Look at the table with tiny pieces of paper. All we need is one balloon and small pieces of paper and your hairs. Yes. Professor rubs the balloon on his hairs. When he rubs the balloon on his hair, it becomes electrically charged. That means it gains tiny particles called electrons. Looks like Professor's hair is doing a science dance too. Balloon moves near the paper pieces, and papers jump up and stick to it. Professor brings the charged balloon close to the paper, and papers begins jumping up, and paper pieces start dance because opposite charge attracts each other. The balloons has extra electrons and the paper has fewer, so they stick together like best friends.